E-sync front hub service. Tools needed: blind bearing puller, long pin punch, hammer, bearing press with correct drifts, assembly grease, and the correct bearing kit. This procedure should be performed with the rotor removed. Begin by removing the end caps. If the end caps don't come off by hand, you can use a tool to carefully lever them off. Remove the bearings from the hub one at a time using your bearing puller, pin punch, and hammer. Set aside the axle spacer for later use. Wipe your hub clean with a rag and inspect it for wear. Next, apply a thin layer of grease and using the bearing press, press the bearings into the hub shell one at a time. Don't forget to reinstall the axle spacer before installing the second bearing. The spacer has a locating lip on one end and should be installed on the same side that the axle inserts. Check your fork to confirm axle direction. The spacer needs to be centered on the inner bearing race when pressing the second bearing. If the spacer can move after bearing installation, recenter the spacer and press the bearings again. When properly pressed, the spacer should not have room to move off-center from the bearings. Reinstall your end caps and rotor. Your wheel is now ready to go and can be reinstalled in your fork.